Good morning, students. Welcome to Saint Thomas School online classes. Students, in our previous session, we had completed activity number 1. Students, I hope that you all had completed that activity in your fab book and textbook both. Okay? So, students, today we are just going further with our next activity, that is activity number 2. Okay? So, students, we are just going through it. Activity number 2. Mohan did not copy. Let's see. What made Mohandas Gandhi a Mahatma? Well, he had many qualities. He loved truth. He practiced truth. This made him great. Student, what made Mohandas Gandhi a Mahatma? Student, he had many qualities. He always loved to speak truth. He always practiced truth. This made him great. Okay? He watched his own action. He always asked himself, is my action right or wrong? Is it good or bad? Did he do this from childhood? Yes, he did. Student, Mahatma Gandhi always watched his own action. He always asked himself that, is his action right or wrong? Is it good or bad? Did he do this from his childhood? Yes, he did it. Okay. Now, third paragraph. Mohan was a student in Rajkot. He did not always stand first in his class, but he was always honest. Student, Mohandas Gandhi was a student in Rajkot. He did not always stand first in his class. He didn't get any first rank in his class, but he was a very honest person. Once, the school had its annual inspection. The inspector went round all the classes. Student, once the school had its annual inspection, the inspector went round all the classes. He also went to the class 5th. It was the class of Mohan. Okay? Mohan was a student in that class. It was an English class. It was a Mohan class, and Mohan was student in that class. And when the inspector went to that class, it was an English lecture. It was an English class. The inspector gave a spelling test. He dictated 10 words. One word was cattle. At that time, inspector gave a spelling test and he dictated 10 words. And from that, one word was cattle. Mohan did not know the spelling of this word. At that time, Mohan did not know the spelling of that word. He spelled the word wrongly. The teacher saw the wrong spelling in Mohan's slide. When the Mohan spelled the word wrongly, at that time the teacher saw that the Mohan had written the wrong spelling in his slide. He made a sign to Mohan. At that time, teacher made a sign to Rohan that copy the word from the neighbor. And at that time, teacher signed to Mohan that copy that word from the neighbor. Did Mohan understand the sign? Yes, he did. When the teacher done that sign to the Mohan, at that time, Mohan understood the sign? Yes, he did. Did he copy the word? No, he did not. When the teacher gave that sign to the Mohan, at that time, Mohan understood the sign? Yes, Mohan understood that sign. The teacher is telling to him that copy that word from the neighbor, but Mohan did not copy that word. Okay? After some time, the inspector left. The teacher was angry. After some time, the inspector left and teacher was very angry on Mohan. Teacher said to Mohan, I made a sign to you, but you did not understand. At that time, teacher said to the Mohan that I made a sign to you that copied from your neighbor, but you didn't understand. The other student laughed at him, but Mohan was not sorry. Mohan was honest. He did not cheat himself or the other. Perhaps this made him a Mahatma. Okay? So students, we are just putting till over here. Next we'll see in our next session. Okay? Thank you.